Tennant Company, a recognized leader in developing innovative solutions that help create a cleaner, safer, healthier world, brings you the S30, a reliable and productive mid-sized rider sweeper. The S30 sweeper increases productivity, provides health and safety benefits, and simplifies maintenance, all with a low cost to clean. And because it's made by Tennant, it's built with quality and durability in mind. The S30 provides excellent indoor and outdoor sweeping performance and outstanding dry dust control in heavy and light dust applications. Whether you are sweeping fine grains of sand or light debris, the S30 is designed to sweep and cut a clean path quickly while maintaining dust control. Tennant's 3-stage patented SweepMax Plus cyclonic technology maintains consistent airflow for optimal dry dust control by separating out fine dust before it reaches the filter. In the first stage, a permafilter removes 90% of particulates and keeps bulky debris, moisture, and dirt in the hopper. The exclusive second stage utilizes cyclonic filtration to remove another 90% of fine dust and moisture, preventing it from reaching the filter. The third stage filters submicron dust particulates down to 0.5 microns at 99% efficiency with a flame-retardant nanofiber canister filter. Cleaner airflow from the cyclonic dust control stage allows you to spend more time sweeping because fewer filter shakebacks are required. The ShakeMax 360 orbital filter shaking mechanism dislodges dust particles trapped deep within the filter pleats, increasing filter media life. The S30 effectively removes different types of debris with the 2-speed sweep system, which increases the speed of the main brush, side brush, and vacuum fan by 15% for light litter pickup or patrol sweeping. A retractable spring-loaded flap improves sweeping results by recirculating debris that may escape over the main brush. Achieve outstanding results in diverse environments with optional dual side brushes, allowing you to sweep up to 80 inches, 203 centimeters in a single pass. A 14 cubic foot, 395-liter Duramer hopper means fewer dump cycles and more time sweeping. The S30 delivers exceptional one-pass sweeping with consistent brush pressure and brush rotation, delivered from the 8-spline brush drive and deep brush engagement. The S30's onboard diagnostics and patented color-coded brush wear indicator are easy to use and maximize productivity and reduce maintenance costs. An integrated string and twine guard reduces maintenance costs and protects the sweeper's drive motors. The S30's all-levers forward control layout provides simple operation that prevents mistakes, reduces training costs, and helps protect your assets. On the optional S30 XP model, simple one-touch activation starts all sweeping functions and provides worry-free operation. This one-step button reduces operator training time so you can spend more time cleaning. The ErgoSpace cab-forward operator compartment provides improved visibility and operator comfort while reducing fatigue. An optional deluxe seat is adjustable and includes armrests and a seat belt. The standard thermosentry heat sensor alerts the operator to potential overheating hazards. An optional FOPS certified ISO 3449 pressurized cabin is available with heat and air conditioning, so you can operate safely and comfortably even in the most severe environments. For added safety when a cabin isn't required, an optional ANSI-tested overhead guard enhances operator safety, and rounded corners on the frame protect your machine as well as your facility. The no-tool filter and cyclone access lets you spend less time on maintenance and more time sweeping. The smooth swing-out covers and spacious access panels enable easy servicing and helps reduce maintenance costs. Model S30 X4 provides a stable 4-wheel platform with comfortable suspension and a high transport speed. Keep your S30 operating at peak performance by using only Tennant replacement parts. Tennant parts are designed specifically to fit your S30, delivering long life, high performance, and durability. Tennant's S30 is easy to operate and maintain, delivering reduced cost to clean, improved facility image, and health and safety benefits, providing exceptional dry dust control performance in a mid-sized rider sweeper. Tennant, changing the way the world cleans.